Thank you for joining me again. So I'm back on Law of Attraction. Law of Attraction. In the other video, I kind of like went into what one might want to consider before deliberately asking to receive things in their life. How law of vibration work, which is our natural ability. It's something we do naturally. It's just our belief system and indoctrinations have things that we believe has put us to sleep basically. But briefly, law of attraction, law of vibration, the way that you do this is you, first off, I'm just going to tell you straight, make sure you're feeling good. Whatever it is that you're wanting to attract, you're going to vibe with it, but you want to be sure that you're feeling in a good place, really feeling good from a good place, okay? And then you're going to connect yourself to whatever it is that you're desiring, okay? Now I already talked about, doing the internal work to make sure you're vibing right so that whatever you're attracting, it comes together right and it is actually for you. You're not trying to do tricks to get something that is not for you. Because we all have a divine purpose and there's some things going on here. So it's not all about just what you want. There are many other things involved here. So the best thing to do is get in touch with your true self and guidance. I'm just doing a disclaimer. So here's the other side. Once you do that, making sure it's coming from within, you vibe with the thing that you desire. So to do that, you must feel a passion and excitement and a oneness with whatever it is. And people do this through visualization and self-talk. So in other words, they imagine it and they think about how good it would feel to have it, and they only speak words that are in relation and also keeping them linked to that thing. So they don't use any words that make it seem like it's over there somewhere and it's not with them. It's over there, but it's not with me. They don't use those type of words. It's with you. Because in reality, anything that you could possibly want or conceive, if you conceived it or you want it, it's already created. It's already there. It's like something that exists, but it's flying by you. You can't see it because it's vibing, it's moving at a certain speed. You didn't catch up to the speed to where you can actually see. So whatever you ask for, it already exists. It's already there. So you have to already know it's there and be excited and appreciate the fact that it's already there and love and walk in the knowing that it's already there. Though you don't see it with your eyes, you have to believe it within your mind and your heart that it is there. And so you behave and you move and you in the way to vibe with it, because now it really exists. In your mind it really exists. You have it. You got whatever it is. And so you're enjoying it. and you're enjoying the accolades and whatever else. So law of attraction works that way. Imagine it, feel it, experience it mentally. If you have a difficult time envisioning and having the actual experience with the thing that you're asking, then perhaps you may want to do imagery by getting pictures and various things like that, and see yourself engaging with that as you're observing that image or whatever, when you're feeling good. When you're feeling good. So if it's something where you want to see yourself on stage, or perhaps it's something where you see yourself living in luxury, or if you see yourself having an abundance of something, or on that beautiful yacht, or with that wonderful person by your side, or your family enjoying a beautiful vacation, or you got the job of your dreams, or you built the phenomenal business, successful business of your dreams, whatever it is, experience it in your mind, experience it in your heart, get excited and passionate about it, and then just truly from your heart appreciate and give thanks of having received the thing that you are asking. True appreciation. Walk the walk, talk the talk as though it's already there for you. Because remember, all it is that you're just trying to catch up with it vibrationally, so that you can have the experience with it, because it already exists. But it's as though picture something moving at a speed that your eyes cannot see because it's moving so fast. You're unable to see it. But the moment you catch up with it and you're moving at the same speed with that thing, then you are vibing with it. And once you're a vibrational connection with that thing, you are one with that thing. So it has to come into your experience on a physical realm, because it already exists on a spiritual realm. And so that's how law of attraction works. Peace, much love, and we can go over this again and again, and we'll keep talking about it. And perhaps you'll experiment with some things. It's just like anything, you keep talking about it long enough in a good feeling state, and guess what? That thing may show up in one way or the other. And actually, you don't have to even concern yourself about the details. What you want to do is have the experience, give and appreciate the receiving of it, and then let the universal force and all of the laws that the Most High has put in place orchestrate everything so that it may happen. You can go into some detail as to maybe some things you'd like to come along with it. Some people even say go very deep in the specifics, but go deep into the detailing of how everything is supposed to unfold. But I don't know. You may want to just put it out there and just let the laws of all that is laid out work out all the details of that thing coming into your space, and so that you may have the experience with that which you are asking for. This is law of attraction, and much success with that. And this is the part 2 to the part 1, so check out check out the other video so that you can continue on this video. Thank you so much. Choice here. Thanks for joining me again. Peace.